To get rid of silverfish, vacuum your home thoroughly to remove eggs that might be hiding in carpets, floorboards, and hard-to-reach corners and crevices. For an easy, non-toxic way to kill silverfish, sprinkle some diatomaceous earth in places where you've seen them, like under the sink, in the basement, and in the back of cabinets. Diatomaceous earth is a powder that will dry out and kill silverfish when they come in contact with it. Though it is non-toxic, make sure to keep it away from children and pets. Place commercial silverfish traps throughout your home to catch even more silverfish. To prevent silverfish from entering your home, seal up any cracks around doors and windows with caulk. Use a dehumidifier in your home if your home is humid, since silverfish thrive in wet environments. You should also keep dry foods like pasta, rice, and cereal in sealed containers to cut off their food source. Finally, remove any stacks of papers, books, or magazines around your home, since silverfish like to hide in them.